How to fix Instagram music not found on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. First, just close your Instagram and then turn off your Wi-Fi. Now restart your phone and open Instagram and then turn on your Wi-Fi, and now your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, let's move to the next step. Go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Maybe you'll find here update, then click on it and your problem must be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix it, then all you need to do just go to settings, apps, and apps again, type here Instagram and click on it, then click force stop and go to storage clear cache. I hope that can fix your problem and see you in the next video.